to create wealth, we have to create debt. You got some cash?
Yeah.
Okay, 20. Let me just get the 20. Okay, let's see. Where is it at? We got a $20 bill right here. Let me see. What does that say at the top? It says Federal Reserve notes. The mortgage that you have on your house is called what? A house note. The loan that you have on your car is called what? A car note. Guys, a note is debt. This is $20 worth of debt. You're working for debt. And this is what they pay us with. So you have to learn how to leverage debt. You have to leverage these notes. And I want to take y'all a little bit deeper so y'all can try to understand this concept in regards to your own personal situation. What do you feel like your biggest asset is? A lot of people miss this, but my wealth-minded people, they know that you are your biggest asset. Why is that? Well, because you're the one who makes all the money. You're the one getting up every morning. You're the one driving in traffic. Some of y'all put y'all life on the line for work. You know what I'm saying? You are your biggest asset. And when we break down you have two things. First thing is time. The second thing is your health. What if there's a way that you could leverage all of that, create money from it? That's the power of insurance. So let's kind of back this up real quick. When we first got to this part here, we started talking about, okay, well, how does the bank make money, right? They lend money, right? For mortgages, they lend it for cars, credit cards, right? They hold those on their balance sheets as assets. And then they sell those things to insurance companies. They sell them to pension funds and the government to make a profit. And then the government or those insurance companies then start receiving those payments from all these people who bought mortgages or cars and whatnot. So the real wealth is built in owning debt. Let's just imagine you had another asset over here. So essentially what I'm doing when I buy a life insurance policy is I'm taking a contract out on the value of my life. The more time I have and the healthier I am, the more insurance I can get. And if you think about what you're actually buying when you buy insurance, you're buying money in the future. For example, if you had $1 million policy, you pay your premium. How much money does the insurance company owe you when you pass away? $1 million, right? You bought money. Now the trick is, how do you get this $1 million out of the contract before you die? You have to leverage your liabilities. You have to leverage your mortgage. You have to leverage your loans. You have to leverage your credit card. You got to leverage your taxes, and you have to leverage your cash. Buy something that you can get value from, right? So when you pay a premium to an insurance company, you're actually buying those dollars right there.